Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can download Among Us on for your computer. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just right here, Among Us on Google, and you're gonna see it on Steam here. What you want to do is when you're on Steam, you want to click Add to Cart, and you need to purchase it for myself. And here you want to add an account. I have already Steam. So I'm going to show you like directly on application. And again, Among Us. And you just click here, add to cart, purchase for myself. And then you just like add a card number and everything. And this is how you can simply download Among Us. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance. And yeah.